In this video, we're diving into PHP generators and iterators. Generators and iterators are powerful tools in PHP that allow for memory-efficient data processing. They enable you to work with large datasets without running into memory issues and improve performance through lazy evaluation. Let's explore how they can make your code more efficient and scalable. Let's start by understanding what generators are. Generators are special functions that can pause their execution and resume later, yielding values one at a time. Instead of returning a complete array all at once, a generator yields each value as it's requested. Here's a simple example: a function called simpleGenerator that yields 3 strings: first, second, and third. Now let's compare the memory efficiency of traditional arrays versus generators. Traditional arrays load the entire dataset into memory, which can be a problem when dealing with large datasets. For example, loading 1 million records into an array might require around 1 GB of random access memory, also known as RAM. Generators, on the other hand, process one item at a time. Processing the same 1 million records with a generator might only require about 1 KB of RAM. This is because generators only load each item when it is needed, making them incredibly memory efficient. Let's look at a basic generator example. Here we have a generator function called count to 10. This function uses a for loop to yield numbers from 1 to 10. To use this generator, we can iterate over it using a for each loop, which will output the numbers 1 through 10, each separated by a space. Now let's discuss iterators. Iterators are objects that implement the iterator interface to traverse through collections step by step. This interface requires implementing several methods, including current, key, next, and valid. The current method is used to get the current element in the collection. The key method is used to get the current key. The next method is used to move to the next element in the collection, and the valid method is used to check if the current position is valid. Let's look at a custom iterator example. Here we define a class called numberRange that implements the iterator interface. The class takes a $start and an $n variable in the constructor. The current function returns the current number. The key function returns the current number as the key. Let's explore some real-world use cases for generators and iterators. Generators are commonly used for processing large comma-separated value, or CSV files, reading database records in chunks, and streaming application programming interface or API responses. Iterators are used in custom collection traversal, tree and graph navigation, and pagination systems. These tools can greatly simplify complex tasks and improve performance in various scenarios. Let's summarize the key benefits of using PHP generators and iterators. First, they are memory efficient, allowing you to process large datasets without memory overflow. Second, they offer better performance through lazy evaluation, which improves execution speed. Third, they provide scalable solutions, enabling you to handle infinite data streams effectively. Finally, they offer code flexibility, allowing for clean and maintainable iteration patterns. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.